Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can delete your listings on Etsy. So let's get right into it. Now, one thing I would like to mention at the very beginning is that I won't be able to show you guys myself simply because I don't have the required information that I need to set up my shop manager fully. I don't have the information for the bank and everything that I need to set up for payments since I don't want to create any fraudulent information, so I'll just skip over that part. However, I do have an instruction set open up in another tab, which I will show you, but pretty much the first step is just going into the shop manager, and the whole process is actually really simple. Once you're in the shop manager, you just need to go into your listings, then click the checkbox next to the listings you want to delete, and then just press the delete button at the very top. Now, this is what the instructions look like. This is the official help center for Etsy, and as you can see, it only has 4 simple steps, pretty much what I just told you anyway. And I am really sorry that I'm not able to show you this, but as I've mentioned, I cannot set up my shop manager, especially without actually giving them any fraudulent information or anything of the sort, which would then put me in a position to breach the terms of service, which will then lead to an account ban. So I do hope you guys understand and that you could pretty much follow this perfectly. And yeah, other than that, there's nothing else to mention. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.